Alright, so in this video we're going to talk about multiplying and dividing fractions. So we're just going to go straight into it. When we're doing multiplication, we just multiply straight across. We don't have to worry about like denominators. That's only for adding and subtracting. So I'm going to take 8 times 5, which will give us 40. And then 15 times 7. 15 times 7, which gives us 105. And we got to keep in mind we're giving our answers in simplest form. So I need to figure out what goes into both 40 and 105. And I know 5 goes into both. So if I take 40 divided by 5 and 105 divided by 5, 40 divided by 5 gives us 8, and 105 divided by 5 gives us 21. And 3 doesn't go into 8, and 7 doesn't divide evenly into 8, so this is our simplest form. So 8 fifteenths times 5 sevenths is equal to 8 21sts in simplest form. So that's product. Multiply straight across. When it comes to division, we're going to make it into multiplication. And so how we do that with fractions is we keep the first one, so 3/4. It becomes multiplication, and then we flip, we do the reciprocal, which is when we flip a fraction. It's our inverse of that fraction. And so now it's just multiplication like before. So we're going to do 3 times 8, which is 24, and 4 times 5, which is 20. And then what goes into both 24 and 20? 4 does, and we're left with 6/5. And like I said, on papers for me, this is fine. For Math Excel, it may want you to make it into a mixed. So 5 divides into 6 once, and then there's 1/5 that remains. And so either of those answers is correct, 6/5 or 1 1/5. And we'll talk about what the difference between giving improper and mixed number answers. Just know that on your homework, it will be very specific on what it would like. So once again, when multiplying, we just multiply straight across. Numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. The only difference with division is when we're finding those quotients, we have to flip that second fraction. We got to make that a reciprocal in order to multiply across. And that is all.